Hey everybody, it's Paula from Craftin' by the Pond. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am on to do a collaboration with Onedaysaving. They sent me a nice email and I agreed to try out some of their products and do an honest review. I did an unboxing video back in, I think I completed it like several months ago, but you know, with the holidays and everything, I didn't really have time to dedicate to diamond painting. But so I wanted to just come on and show I'm just about done with this diamond painting, and it's beautiful violets. And this is a little bird, but he's not done yet. It's still a work in progress. But I wanted to come on and show everybody you know, the diamond painting. They have different diamond paintings. They have a deal going right now. Their Happy New Year sale is still going on, so all orders over $50 get 2 free gifts. And so please go over and check them out. I will link the website in the description box for you, just to make it easier. So that you can see some of the different products that they have. They have cross-stitching products. They have holiday-themed diamond paintings, paint by numbers, cross-stitching supplies. So many diamond paintings you would not even believe it. They have Harry Potter. They have Disney characters, dragons. They have everything. Animals. People, it's fairies, gnomes. They have some card kits, anything you could possibly think of with a diamond painting, they have it. They have tote bags, all kinds of wonderful products. The cross-stitching products are beautiful. They have supplies. Their paint by numbers are just beautiful. They have those colorful ink brushes, blending brushes that we're always looking for as crafters. So again, go check them out, because if you spend $50, they'll send you 2 free gifts. So their diamond paintings are really affordable as compared to some of the big box retail, and the shipping was really fast. I was surprised. But anyway, just wanted to let you know. Product quality is great, very easy to follow. I really enjoyed working on this. I kind of keep it on my kitchen table, so if I don't have anything really going on, I just kind of, do a couple. It's good therapy for when you had a really bad day at work. Just saying. So I will post the link below. Go check them out, and they also have provided me with a 5% off coupon code, and I will link that in the description box as well. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Go check them out. Like I said, you can afford to shop there. So go check them out, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you're having a great day. Talk to you soon. Be sweet and be kind. Bye.